All right, my zero package here from AF1 Racing. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but I'm pretty sure. I'm 99% sure what it is. Let's see because I ordered several things. See how many stuff came in. More than one thing came in. That's good. Bubble wrap. So this is a rain guard, basically the rear fender. That's what it is. Okay. Looks like a rear fender. Right. So it basically goes in right here somewhere, I believe. Something like this. Something like this. I believe. Hang on. Something like that. I'm not actually sure how it goes yet, but we see the rest of it. I think the rest of it will show me. This might be only half of it. Let's see. More bubble wrap. Oh, he's got to relocate the reflectors. That's why it didn't fit right. Okay, look at this stuff. Gonna relocate the reflectors. All right, I'll give you another bracket here. I guess it also relocates the license plate, possibly too. Something like that. I'm not exactly sure. What does this thing say? Yeah, wide reflecting mount. You know, just for the reflector. That's what I was thinking. So basically, it just shows you a picture. There's no freaking there's no instructions or nothing. That's funny. That's too funny. Okay, anyways. Here's some screws. Nothing else in here. Pass the bubble wrap out. Alright, let's take off this old reflector in here. So this is Phillips. Where are you at? Little pretty small. It's only like, I don't know, maybe half an inch screw. This one. Another. Third one, same size. Fourth one. Okay, so there's the old bracket. Okay. How does this new one stick in? This old bracket. You see the wire for the license plate. There's that. Okay, so I'm looking in here. And I can see behind the reflector there's 2 screws that goes through. So that's what holds this this metal bracket that's holding the reflector down. Actually, I see 3 screws. Okay, there's 3 screws in there. So I guess I need to peel this bracket off. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver or something to peel that off. But anyways, let me because this one will replace that, so it's wide enough to clear this. Let's see how this is supposed to fit in. So I guess I can have this. So basically, it's something like this somewhere somehow. Man, it doesn't feel like it fits right. Right? Or is it like this? Or like this? Still doesn't look like it fits right. Where does this go? Something like that. I have no idea where this goes because I don't see anything down up here. What the hell? That's strange. Before I take the old one off, because if I take the old one off, it's going to get destroyed. I have to figure out where this other one is. So it's supposed to go down like this somewhere, right? Over like so. But where's the mounting hole for this? There's nothing here to mount. That don't make no sense. Oh, it's on top. Does it fit on top? No. No, it doesn't fit on top. Something like that. That's, oh, you know what? It's like this. Okay, so this right here is, I think this is the license plate. This is the license plate right here. So this fits up like this. Or over like this. There it goes. It fits like that. Over like this way. How this way. Like this. So somewhere in like so. Somewhere like that. That's how it's supposed to fit. Still don't understand how it fits here. Or here. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Alright, so I finally got it figured out. So I took off the old bracket, which is right here. Right, old bracket, new bracket. You have to pull off the reflector, and underneath all this foam sticky tape is 3 screws. Take out the 3 screws and use to put on the new bracket. You know, you reuse the 3 screws. Right. From there, you have to basically put the this little part back on here. So the main thing is watch out for the cable here. See where it runs. So it runs on the what would normally be the clutch side, so the left side over there. So. Something like that. Like that. Alright, so now I just need to screw this bottom. Actually, no, I can't screw the bottom from there. I have to use this thing. This goes around like this. So yeah, actually, yeah, I do have to screw the bottom here first. So put this 2 screws that I took off from the bottom down here on first. So. Other side, same thing. Oops, something's not right. Let's see my cables. Move my cable. Oh, that's good. Just gotta keep your hand on it, otherwise it'll slip out of place. There. Quite good. Okay. So now we have this right here. So these two right here, this actually mounts to where the license plate is. So I couldn't figure it out. I was like, what the hell? Where does this go? So before we do that, we're gonna see what screws that they gave us. So they gave us this little spacer here and these long screws. So that's basically where the front short screws were, because of how this mounts. There's a spacer here, so we need to take out that space. That's what the spacers are for. That's part of the kit. All right. So those two spacers and the two long screws. Oops, rolling away there. Make sure I don't lose those things. Be a bitch to find another one that's the same size. Screws are easy to find, right? So, all right, so I got those ready. This is up here. So this, the reason why you take out the old bracket, is the retractor bracket, is to clear the clearance for this, because this is wider than the old one, right? So this new bracket will fit that. So what you need to do here, and this is going to be kind of hard, I think. You need to basically bolt, spacer, well, not bolt, but a screw and spacer, like that. Let's see. I should put this in, like so. Shit. This screwdriver is kind of long. Let me grab my short screwdriver. My little stubby right here. So and let's drop this one out. Okay, that's in. Let's go a little bit more. I don't like this stubby as much as my other one. It's not as ergonomic. Almost there. There. Oh shit. I don't like that thing. Let me try to see if I can fit my regular. Nope, it's still too long. I don't like this one. It kind of doesn't feel right in my hands. It doesn't feel ergonomical. Okay, that stopped. Okay, that stopped. This thing still wiggles though. I think the screws bottomed out, but this mud guard here still wiggling. That's not good. That means it's gonna rattle. So here I just put my license plate back on. License plate on. So the little wing nut. Little reflectors on there. center this as much as possible before I tighten it up. Okay, so that's as tight as I get it. So there's that. So this fit's not sure what this is for. What is that? Oh, it's not moving much anymore. Let's see if I can go back to this in one, because right here I still think there's still a little bit of movement, but just barely though. Yeah, it's tight. Yeah, it's tight. All right, so now I just need to put the reflectors on. Or the new reflectors. All right. So, you know, this being a silent motorcycle pretty much, you know, you want to be as visible, right? So new reflectors like so, you know, one in each side. This looks like this texture. It looks like a Scotch brand, which is basically 3M. Like so. Try to keep the spacing on all three sides even. All right, like so, and do that with the rest, you know, with all three sides, and you're good. All right, so thanks for watching.